Professional ecologist and drone operator Andrew Chick is on a mission. He's been asked by the National Trust at Belton House in Lincolnshire to find out whether their local heron population is taking off.
Drones have now become so small, so quiet and so easy to use that as long as they're used in a responsible manner, they allow us to monitor the population of birds here at Belton and we can see whether the work that was being done is working as we want it to.
The heron population in the UK has been mostly stable or increasing, but not everywhere.
Heron numbers have been dropping. They were able to see whether the nests were inhabited.
And what they found was astonishing.
When we got the drone and we got above the tree line, we were amazed to find that we got 11 pairs, showing that the work here is really having an impact. The nest structure that herons build is colossal and they withstand incredible winds at the top of those trees. So this gives us an indication of how successful the rearing of the chicks are and what number of them will actually come to fledge.
What's made the difference is the work the Trust has done down at the river to support the entire ecosystem.
On the opposite bank you can see some fence posts that have been driven into the riverbed, and then we've placed bundles of heather sticks so they'll be in amongst that and feeding.
And all of that's good for the birds, not least the herons.
Exactly, yeah.
Herons with their voracious appetites aren't popular with garden pond owners or fitters to Belton House shouldn't have to look far to see the success of this wildlife experiment for themselves.